Hello everyone, it's me Ahmed Radwan, and today we are going to continue our series PHP from scratch, and we are going to continue also with time and date, and this is going to be part 5. So let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about a function that I personally love so much. It's very nice function, very smart function. Let's talk about it. It's called str2time, okay, and it's available since PHP 4, so you shouldn't have any problem with it. It will needs one optional parameter, okay, and this parameter is a string, and it will give you the int, the timestamp itself, okay. But what's cool about this function, it's really smart function, let's give you some examples here. For example, here if I want to echo the timestamp of today, all I have to do is echo str for string to time, okay, and round brackets like that, and then I say just now, okay. Let's try it out. As you see, I got the same number as above, so it's working fine. So understand that I'm talking about now. Also, if say now, small letters, it's also same, working very nicely. Also, if I want to get the timestamp after 1 seconds, for example, or 1 minute, okay, let's say after 1 minute from now, all what I have to do is I say plus 1 minute, okay. Let's try it out. Oh, failed to get it, because I have to, this is 1, not I, okay. Let's try it. As you can see, if you notice here, this number is just 60 seconds more than this number, so it's giving you the time after 1 minute from now. But after, I want to do something here just to show you, okay, to make sure it's working fine, and I will take all of this and create new variable here. Say c equals the thing, whole thing here, echo $C. Just I'm organizing my work, nothing more, okay. Put this in variable and echo the c. I should have the same result, no problem. But why I'm doing that in the first place, because I want to display this state in another format, okay, in a time format, you know. So I have to use here echo date, and I will echo date. Of course, this function needs D for day and C for complete, I think. Then I will choose the second parameter to be the $C, okay. What I'm doing here, I just want to get the long format of the date like this one, so I make sure it's working fine. As you can see here, it was 41, right? The minute here become 42, so it's already added 1 minute, right? And everything else remains the same. This one is they added it. If you want, I can just place it at the end, okay, like that. Just want to get the day name, okay. Now you can compare 41 here, 42, 54, same, okay. What if I want to 1 hour? Can add 1 hour, okay, like that. You see, as you can see, it's very smart function, here. Where is the hour? 9. It was here 8, okay. 8 become 9. 1 week also, you can add 1 week plus 1 week, 7 days. So as you can see here, it was 9, today is 9, and after 7 days it's going to be 16. Okay. Also can use day plus 1 week and 1 day, like that, 1 day. Okay, let's try it out. It should be 8 days, and sure enough I'm getting that. 9 plus 8, 17. What else? Maybe we can also add 1 month, 1 year. Okay, very smart function, right? 1 year. Now we are already in what's that? Something wrong here. Something wrong. Why? Because it doesn't work. Okay, this is something nice about this function. If it doesn't work, okay, it will give you false. Okay, it will give you false. So here, if I want to make sure this is I'm getting true result, why I'm getting wrong, why I'm getting false in the first place? Because I haven't added 1 here. I should add 1. Okay, but since we are here already, I'm going to show you echo. I'm going to show you how to deal with this situation. If round brackets and C. Okay, means what? If C exists, okay, print this thing. Or I can, as I said, because this is one single line, I don't need the curly brackets, so I can use it like this directly. So let's try it out. I wouldn't this time I'm getting this number, okay, because of what? Because this considered from the beginning. The false here is considered the beginning 1970. Okay, but this time I'm not gonna get this line. Let's try it out. Correct, because what? Because this function now is giving me false. It cannot understand what I'm saying. Okay, but if I put here 1, should understand it. Okay, and sure enough I got it, and it's going to be 2012. Okay, means added 1 year already. Very smart, right? Also I can get the same in the past, minus 10 plus 10 years. If I want it in minus, let's try out this one. Minus, let's try it. Minus 1 year plus 1 day. So I better make it all 9 minus. Not to confuse myself and you. See. So now I'm talking about 2001, right? And it's going to be Thursday. Very nice, right? What else can be done with this one? I can also use something like this one. Next week. It will understand it. In fact, this is the most smart function in PHP I have ever seen, in fact. Okay, so now we're going to say we are talking about 14, right? Today is 9 and it's 14, so next week. Okay, what else? Maybe let's see the PHP website. It also can take numbers in this way. See, this one. Okay, I say for example here 10 September. I'm doing mistakes here. September 2000, and that's it. Let's see how it is. Of course wrong, because what? I'm having wrong spelling. Let me take it from here. Do some cheat here. Okay, now it's working fine. What else? As you can see here also, you can use here add 1 time, add 1 week. You see, plus 1 week, plus 2, without using the plus again here. Also can use this one, next Thursday. If you want to know next Thursday going to be one, it's going to be tomorrow, by the way. So let's try it out. Next Thursday, and as you can see, it's going to be tomorrow, and the date of tomorrow is 10. Also, it's a smart function that can understand if capital from small. let's try it. I'm getting the same result, but I use this one. Let's try if I used, I'm trying to cheat the function now, see if it's going to understand or not. Yeah, still smart, huh? Nice, yeah? TH. What else? Here, I think that's all about it. It just take some strings and give you the timestamp, okay? But if it doesn't understand, it will give you false, and this is one good point about it. Now what if I want next Thursday from so here, to get the Thursday, the next Thursday of a date in the past, I have to use make date, right? Make time, sorry, make time, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, hours 0, midnight, also 0 second, I choose 1. Okay, month is going to be 1, and the day is going to be 1. For example, any number you want, 2000. Let's try it out. Okay, so as you can see, the next Thursday is going to be 6th of January. Okay, 6th of January, and it's going to be Thursday here, as you can see here. Okay, this is how we can use this function to get a next Thursday or a next day in the past also. Okay, so I want to try something here. If I said Mon instead of Monday, is it going to understand it or not? Yes, got it. It's a smart function, right? So it understands that I'm talking about Monday without the dot. Let's try it out. Also still smart, huh? Next, I think this is enough for this now, but I want to show you something here very important in the website. str2 time, this one. If you go to the website itself, the official site, you will have besides the examples, you will have also many contributors, people like me, like you yourself. They contribute some ideas, some problems, some functions. Okay, and it's very useful. It's like forum, but it's not actually a forum. They only publish the useful stuff only. Okay, so here I want to show you something here. So someone published, yeah, is this one. Okay, for example, okay, here if you are going to use this str2 time and you wrote the time like this, 10.12.11, you use here the dot. Okay, and the same thing but using slash, and same thing but using dash, you are going to get different result. Okay, if you are going to use the dot, this smart function, okay, will read from right to left. Day, see, as you see here, day 10 is the day, and the month is December, and finally the year 2011. Okay, if you do it slashes, it will read American style. American style means this is going to be the month, so it's going to be November. Okay, and then the day is going to be 12, and the year is going to be 10. Okay, this is very good notice here, very good note. Also, if you do it dashes like this one, you will get it from left to right. 11 the day, 12 is the month, December, and this is going to be the year. I hope that was useful, and thank you very much for watching my video, and talk to you soon. Bye.